Welcome to HydroSim Tutorials. This video is about how to import components from the online library to your local library. You do this to be able to add or adjust data in the component properties, like an article code or type, or any other data you wish to add or change. This will be a very straightforward how-to video, so let's go. We start in the online library, where we select a component in the preview window. Next, right-click and select Import to Local Library. The Import to Local Library window provides two main options: edit component data before importing and import component without editing. Because our main goal is to add data, we'll choose the first. The second works exactly the same, but as it literally says, saves the component in your local library without editing. After selecting the main option, three more options follow, asking if you, next to the component file you're currently importing, want to import three underlying files as well. They all state not required, and for the scope of this tutorial, they are indeed irrelevant. Please note, if you plan to edit the symbol used in this component, then in most cases you'll need to create a whole new symbol. This works slightly different and will be covered in our next tutorial, creating new symbols and components. So for now, ignore them and leave them unchecked as they are. Click OK to edit the component data. Article code and type are most frequently changed, but you can edit basically any value you want here. It's your component now. Click on Import, and yes to confirm refreshing the library. This is needed so the library is able to display your newly added local component. Ignore the Remove Existing Index Files option. This function rebuilds all index files instead of only the ones involved right now. As you can see, the component file is saved in your local library in the exact same file structure as in the online library. In case you change type, please know that the title will change accordingly. And since the title is reflected in the preview window, your change is immediately visible on this level as well. That's all there is to it. Our next tutorial, as said, is about creating new symbols and components and is closely related, so we advise you to watch that as well. For now, thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team or visit our support area on the Paro website.